Electrify your imagination with our DIY kit. Easy to build, kid-friendly, unlimited fun and handmade in India.
Hi, welcome to Shogini Toys Ultimate Digital Party Kit Project 21, which is 0 to 9 mega dice. So normal dice gives you a number from 1 to 6, but in this case it will give you 10 different numbers from 0 to 9. Now for this, what it says, complete project 19, which means you don't need this wire that we added in the previous project 20. So I'm removing that wire from C29 to negative. That wire, will keep it aside. We don't need it at this time. So this will become a normal dice. Now when you switch it on, it will show you a number from 1 to 6. Right? That is our normal dice. In order to make it into a mega dice, what we need to do is switch it off and keep the push switch pressed and then switch it on. Okay, and then release the push switch. Now this dice is in the mega mode. So when you press, you will get a number from 0 to 9. Okay, number 4. 1. See, 0. Perfect. Let's move on. Let's switch it off.
Build, learn, and create. Unleash your inner engineer with our DIY electronic kits.